Run some benchmark. We will run some benchmarking tests in the new SR Predator Helios 300 2020 model. The first benchmarking software which we are using is Cinebench R20. So let's run this application. Accept, and then go to the file section, go to the advanced benchmark and run both CPU single core and multi-core. First we choose the single core. So this is the single core points for the Cinebench R20. So then we will run it in the multi-core. So this is the multi-core performance of this i7 10th generation 10750H with 6 core and 12 threads. And so the MP ratio is 5.41. So this is the result of this Cinebench R20 CPU benchmark. Now we will benchmark the CPU by the CPU-Z application. In the CPU-Z application, go to the benchmark option and then you can bench your CPU in the single thread and in the multi-thread. So here is the benchmark version. So you have to select a reference. This is the your own laptop's processor, and you can choose. I choose the Intel Core i9, and so let's bench the CPU. So it is the result of the CPU multi-thread. The point is 3165.3 for multi-thread, and for single thread the value is 493.1. So this is the benchmarking points of the i7 10th generation processor of the Acer Predator Helios 300 2020 model with the reference of i9 7980XE CPU. You can also choose any reference like AMD Ryzen Threadripper. So always Intel processor have the single thread points better than Ryzen processor, but from multi-thread performance always Ryzen processor is best than the Intel processor. So this is some benchmarking result of the Acer Predator Helios 2020 model. Now we will use the Geekbench 5 software to benchmark our CPU. So let's run the CPU benchmark. So, 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 So this is our result of the CPU benchmarking. This is our model number, and the single core score is 1119, and in the multi-core score this value is 4655. Here are the CPU information and the smart caches, the memory allocation, and the single core performance of different sections like text compression, the navigation, SQLite, PDF rendering, and the others values. Or in the multi-core performance, there is the some list of that performs into this benchmark section. So let's run the GPU performance testing. By this run compute the benchmark. So this is the OpenCL score that is run this benchmark by using your graphics card, the RTX 2060 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card. This is the Geekbench 5 score of OpenCL of 67,456. So this is the OpenCL platform. We have used the RTX 2060. The max frequency is 1.35 GHz. Here are the list of the OpenCL performance that has been done. So this is this OpenCL score of Geekbench 5, and this is the CPU benchmark score by the Geekbench 5. Here is the overall benchmarking result of the Acer Predator Helios 300 2020 model. It has the CPU i7 10th generation 10750H, 6 core and 12 thread, 2.60 GHz at base speed and turbo up to 5 GHz, and with the GPU, discrete GPU NVIDIA RTX 2060 6GB DDR6 graphics card, which has the max frequency of 1.35 GHz. Here is my laptop's benchmarking result, that is compared with the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X processor with 16 core and 32 thread, 3.5 GHz at base speed. So first is the Cinebench R20 CPU benchmarking, where the single core score is 437 and multi-core is 2364, and the ratio between single and multi-core is 5.41. And where the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X has the single core 518 and multi-core 9165, and the MP ratio is 17.69. Then the CPU Z benchmarking score, whereas the single thread score of my laptop is 437 and multiple thread score is 2364, and the multi-thread ratio is 6.42. At the AMD Ryzen 9 with having 32 threads, 2747 is single thread score, 85,137 is the multi-core multi-thread, and multi-thread ratio is 30.99. And the Geekbench 5 score, the CPU benchmarking score is single core is 1119 and multiple core ratio is core score is 4655, whereas the AMD Ryzen has the single core 1292 and the multi-core score is 14114, and the Geekbench 5 score of OpenCL GPU benchmark, the RTX 2060 of my laptop is 67,456. At the NVIDIA RTX 2060, the value is 70,896. So it is the complete benchmarking result of the Acer Predator Helios 300 2020 model. So that is all, guys. Hope you learned something new.